We'd be a chooching today. Oh, yeah, got a sweater on. Got pan of junk there. Up there's the rest of that piston. Fell right on the ground. Yep. Okay, all that piston. We got looking. Now 454 I've been telling you guys about that just came in. All 8 pistons are broke up in that area. All 8. See, you can see the brakes. Look at that one. All of them. Every single piston is busted in this motor. So I'm gonna there, and obviously there. So, and here's what the crankshaft looks like. Just chewed up, so it don't look as too shiny on the camera, but that crank needs redone. Yeah. Now I need to find a home for these extra big parts. But yeah, I'm getting found that along the highway the other day. So I got another engine parts bin. Yeah, I'm using the old camera today because I forgot the other camera. So hopefully this continues to work. Anyway, yeah. Just got the block in there for the 454, and I got thinking, asked him what colors you want to paint this 454. He said red, and I got thinking, well, the only thing we got to paint is the block, ain't it? I said, yep. Aluminum heads, aluminum intake, and chrome. So the block's the only thing that's going to be painted on this one. And then there's the 4200. It's still sitting there. Picked up another piece for that today, and some other stuff ordered for it. So, and the 5.3, he's coming along on the 5.3. So, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, I gotta pick up the camera quick, even though it's the old one. So, I guess. Let's see what else continues to happen. Well, we've got the big block out. Looks pretty good. Talked to the machine shop too after figuring out all the 8 pistons are broke and slapping around that much. He wants me to get it down to him so he can measure it. He's not sure if 30 over will cut it. We might have to go 40. So, yeah. Like that guy right there. That one I think ended up going 40 over too. So there's 396 there. I was going to knock the 396 down and run that through the cleaner, but right now it's just better being in one piece. I can store it easier. So yeah. Forget this camera. I gotta reach out there. Oh well. Yeah. I haven't got much else done. Just cleaned this motor today because I must have slept wrong because right side of the chest, right straight through all the way to the back, feels like somebody stuck a spear right through. So I haven't been moving too well. That's okay. Now, I haven't got to it yet. I don't know if I want to get to it today, but start getting that engine stand built for the other storage stand. I guess I really wouldn't have to. I could take the 327 off. Put it on the stand there. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. A little too much for me again. Just went back through some old videos, and 2 years ago I was moving a hell of a lot better than what I was maybe 3 years ago. I'm moving a hell of a lot better than what I was right now, what I am right now. And I've lost the weight from then too, so you'd think I'd be even moving better, but kind of enjoy this view out the shop here. Old farm tractor, the days gone by around here, and the old fuel barrel, all the gallons of fuel I've pumped out of that thing over the years. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, this is kind of. And after getting, like I showed you guys, after getting that crank clean, it really looks worse than it did before. So, yeah. Well, I don't know much else for today. Thought I had some more metal out here to finish the engine stands, and I can get the wheels on, but I don't have enough to finish the head units and that for it, so that's okay. We'll get her. But anyway, I guess we may or may not be back, so if I'm back, we'll go from there. If not, catch you next time. Well, I didn't record much of today's project, but we got her done. Had a couple of goofs. I see I got a spot the patch there. Design change. The ones I've had before used to fold here. I got thinking about it. We got the holes there where they're going to be. I think the key is going to be welded on the motor. Let it cool on the motor, and then grind the welds down, and we'll be good to go. So, and then we're going to design one to fit these LS motors, and see if I don't know if we're going to go like that, or if it's going to be a tubular one for the LS. I don't know. Like this one here is going to take up some space, but that's okay. Anyway, yeah, today I had a birthday party, and took the 454 down for the next guy, and got a few things done, and I'm going to, like I said, get that finished up tomorrow, ground down, and get it painted, and that I got enough metal to build three more, I think. 3 or 4 more. No, it'll be three or 6 of them. Since I did a design change, I don't need as much metal now, so I just need a better way of cutting it. But we'll get there. It takes time, so. Well, I know I didn't finish the video from yesterday, so I was just going to bring you guys up to date what's going on, so. Just chasing that almighty dollar, trying to get some gathered up. Maybe someday. So, anyway, see y'all later. Yep, Roger's back for the weekend. Well, he came up. And here is the new truck I just went and picked up this morning, trying to do some quick jobs to make some money. Here in a little bit, back half of that, hopefully will be a trailer in the next couple of days. So, yeah, I know my videos are kind of running together, but yeah. I just cleaned up all my headlights and that on the black truck the other day, and there's another set in here, but yeah. They put a brand new tranny in it, fried it. They didn't flush the lines. Anyway, I got tires for the Tahoe now. Look at those things. Those are nice. Motor's got a knock. The kid says, oh, that ain't, that's a broken flywheel. No, I hit the tillin', but motor's got a knock, but I didn't get it for the motor. I really just don't trust used motors anymore. So anyway, I want to start disconnecting wires and stuff, and I want to start stripping her down and get some cash rolling in. Everybody else is on motors have been slow to pay, which that's okay. I don't care. It just takes time. That's all it does. It takes time. So we want to start stripping this truck down. I want to get it to where I can lift the cab off it, and then we can finish disconnecting everything and go that way. So, alrighty. Well, I ain't keeping track, but there you go. Look at that. Get the front end off it. All that stuff hanging out there. And next thing I'm going to do is undo the brakes, steering, gear shifter there, and make sure all the wires are off that need to be off. And then we can go after the e-brake and cab mounts. And then we should be able to lift this cab off here yet. I don't know if we'll get to it today or not. But I really like those tires. Those are going to finish the Tahoe for me. So, but yeah. If I had the front bumper off, it would have been a lot easier getting that off, but old junk truck like this, I mean, it's even got fairly decent doors, so that's good. But yeah, so I'll get the cab off, and then I can cut the frame where I need it. And I see, and it's kind of sad the truck's only got 145,000 miles on it, but look at the frame. So I hope there's some of the frame left that I can use to make the trailer out of. So anyway, I'm just going to update you guys. We got the front end off. It's on the ground. Now just got to, like, ground straps, get them all unbolted. Well, that one's busted already. Get this heater hose here undone. And then go after the cab mounts. Hopefully they're like the support bolts were, just nice and clean and right out. So anyway, all right, we're at that point. Yeah, let's back up.
surprised that one was in this price. Hook on the, let's pull it down a little bit. You hooked on this.
Yeah, I gotta get this chain on it up here. Yeah. Hold on, Roger.
I can have your camera.
Okay. There we go. It's off. So, alright. Yeah, there you go. It's cabless. It is cabless. Let's notice this. This is one of the support bars. Look where they just shoved it. They shoved it up above the oil filter instead of putting it back down to the transmission. And it wasn't a brand new tranny. It's a used one from a junkyard. So, but they didn't flush.
Messages received from Derek Drever.
Flushed line, so there. That's what the Trailblazer hopefully looks like.
Holy.
Yeah, I noticed they didn't put everything back. Anyway, there's one truck. Yep, there's the bracket. Yeah. There you are. Wow. Cool. A lot simpler to work on. I almost forgot this had a lever 4x4 in it. I almost forgot that rod, but I caught it. You know, taking these apart like this is almost simpler than pulling them out. If I had a hoist, this would be how I'd start doing motors and trannies. Just tear the body off them, then work on them and put them back together. Roger's threatening to get violent with me, man. Come on. What are you taking that for?
Trish wants it.
Okay, well, take it with you. Take it. Yeah. I know. She wants it. Anyway, we're calling her a day. Well, there, I'll show you where I'm at. I guess I haven't picked up the camera for a while. Ouch! That was my knee.
I thought it picked up and took off to the top.
Oh yeah, that's right. We did show you guys that, didn't we? Yeah. Yeah, that's right. You got the crappy, my new tires I'd put on the Tahoe. I thought were good. Look at that. They're shot. That one was That one had just a little bit left. I mean, not much. So we got the tires on the Tahoe, and boy, does that drive better. But I gotta get a couple of front end pieces. Oh, I found out why my ABS can't be turned off. Both the wires going down to the sensors gone. Something ate them out. Oh, the sun's gone. I posted some nice pictures on Facebook. But anyway, oh, and the guy that had this truck, would you call that a brand new transmission? They were told a brand new tranny was put in. So, and that's what it was, a used one. So yeah, so if they paid for a new tranny, they really got it in the shorts on this truck. But this truck was doomed. It was right there, the frame was rotted in two, so oh well. So now I'll get some measurements, get a starting point, and I see I gotta undo the torsion bar bracket. I gotta get that bracket out of there. And then probably the tranny bracket, and I'm probably going to cut it up here for now to give me extra to work with. But I gotta get that gas tank out, and it sounds like it's full of gas. So anyway, looks real nice out here. So kind of like this time of year, but sun goes down, coat comes out. So anyway, everybody, we're just trying to get things going and get parts used up and that. So I guess we'll keep it going and go from there. So see y'all later.